there. Can I sit here?
Sure, please have a seat.
What's your name?
My name is Jack. What's your name?
I'm Rose. Nice to meet you, Jack.
Nice to meet you too, Rose.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from London. And you?
I'm from New York.
Are you a student or do you work?
I work. I'm a teacher. What about you?
I'm a student.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old. How old are you?
I'm 25.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
What do your parents do?
My father is a doctor and my mother is a teacher. What about your parents?
My father is an engineer and my mother is a homemaker.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading books and playing football. What are your hobbies?
I like singing and painting.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. Do you?
Of course. I listen to music every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. What about you?
I prefer classical music.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I do. Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch them often.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic. What's yours?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at 6:30.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like coffee. And you?
I prefer tea.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes. Do you?
Yes, I like cooking.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. What's yours?
My favorite food is pasta. Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have been to France. Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I went to Italy last year.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. Do you?
Absolutely. Traveling is exciting.
What's your dream country to visit?
My dream country is Japan. What about you?
I want to visit Australia.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I do. Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football.
What sport do you like the most?
I like football the most. What about you?
I like basketball.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading novels. Do you?
Yes, I like history books.
Do you speak English fluently?
I'm learning. Do you speak English well?
I'm still practicing, but I want to be fluent.
How do you practice English?
I practice by watching movies and reading books. What about you?
I practice by speaking with friends.
What's the most difficult part of English for you?
Grammar is difficult for me. What's difficult for you?
I find pronunciation difficult.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm. Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring. What's yours?
My favorite season is winter. What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a writer. What do you want to be?
I want to be a singer.
Do you have big dreams?
Yes, I dream of traveling the world. What's your dream?
I dream of writing a famous book.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I come here every weekend. Do you?
Yes, I come here sometimes.
Can we meet again?
Sure, that would be nice.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes, I use Instagram.
Great. Let's exchange contacts.
Perfect.
It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too. See you soon.
See you. Bye.